Say hello to the Galaxy S22, the modern reincarnation of Samsung's beloved Galaxy Note series. Acting as the new phablet in town after the retirement of the Note lineup, the Galaxy S22 Ultra is a powerhouse. Fueled by the Exynos 2200 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, these four-num chipsets ensure top-notch performance, with RAM options of 8 GB and 12 GB. Storage choices range from 128 GB to a whopping 1 TB, though sadly, no room for a microSD card. A groundbreaking move, the Exynos 2200 boasts an AMD GPU, a result of Samsung's collaboration with AMD. Running on Android 12 from the get-go, the S22 Ultra is promised 4 years of Android OS upgrades, extending support up to Android 16. But that's not all. Buckle up for a ride of updates, as the handset also guarantees 4 years of One UI and Android OS upgrades coupled with 5 years of security updates. Price starting at $1,199, the Galaxy S22 Ultra graced the shelves on February 25, 2022, offering color choices like Phantom Black, White,